Go and hit that subscribe button. We do release a short or video almost every day. No days off.
Every day. Hey, no days
Putting in
off.
that
Hey,
hard work.
put in that work to get them the info. Right.
Hey, Stickerheads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
That's right. Hey, we
Yes, sir.
sneakerheads. We sneakerhead. Hey, and y'all sneakerheads. So drop us a comment down below.
So in this video, what we have is that recaps, the Jordan recap. These are the sneakers that are already released the week of the 20th through the 23rd. So starting off on September 20th, we did have those Jordan 2 Low Craft, aka Photon Dust. This was a men's pair, but ironically, this pair is actually pink and tan. I know we didn't have photos. Nike didn't have photos back then, but they did release actually. And the smaller sizes, 3.5 to 7.5. I guess that's because the girls could wear those. Those did sell out, but the men's sizes, 8 to 13, are still sitting. Also, we had on the same day, the 20th of September, the Jordan 6 Low PSG. This was a collaboration. With the high retail price of $200, they did not sell out. As you know, Jordan lows don't do good. And I did not go for these because they do look like the cool grays, which I already have in my collection. So I did not go for these. But you want these stickerheads, size 8 through 10, and men's size are still sitting on Nike.com to go on and scoop them up. What you got, my brother?
So on the 21st of September, they had those chutney lows, which was a women's pair. We haven't seen anything for it being released. You know, hey, drop us a comment down below and let us know if they were released. But as of what we know and what we do, we haven't seen anything. So let us know.
Yes, sir. Moving on the 22nd, we had the Jordan 11 Low IE, aka I call them pandas. This was that black and white pair. It does feature that mostly canvas material versus the patent leather, but it does have patent leather as well. This came out for a price of $185, and all sizes are still sitting. 7.5 to men's 12 are still available on Nike.com. So if you want these sneakerheads, go on and scoop them up. As for me, I said I was going to be copping these, but I'm going to wait till they go on sale. As you know, I just got in those IEs. If you haven't done so, go check out that video right there. But I do expect to probably pick these up for sale at a lower price, so stay tuned for that. What you got next, my brother?
So what we got next, we got those Jordan 2s that came out on that MJ 2-3, right? The black cement. But here's the kicker, though. All sizes are available. Hey, listen, the Jordan 2s came out on MJ. For all the sneakerheads down there, they know what MJ is. So whenever you hear MJ, MJ is 23. So it got to be September the 23rd, or it got to be year 2023. Y'all heard it first here with the Sneakerhead Bros. The year, so whenever you're talking about the year, start representing the year as, hey man, we in the year MJ.
I like that. I like that.
They already know it's 2023.
Yes, sir.
MJ. So whenever
is that what the M stands for that you got on the hat, Jay?
Right? Nah, this is Miami, baby. This is the Marlins, baby. Hey, go Marlins, right? But those black cement, right? Once again, all sizes are available.
Yes, sir.
What we got next?
So I did hear most of the sneaker YouTubers out there. They were still sitting at the mall, and most of them did say that they look a lot better in hand. So maybe just have to go see them in person. But like my bro said, they are available if you need them, sneakerheads. So moving on to the last pair on the list, also released on MJ, 23rd of September. These were the collaboration again, the Jordan 3 J Balvins. And to my surprise, they are maintaining their resale value around $450 my size. So like I said, these did sell out, even though they did have that high price point of $250 for retail. I took an L on my size 10. So like I said, I'm not paying that resale. That's a little bit out of my price range. Like everyone has a limit. My price range limit is $350 for a shoe. So these going for $450, so it's out of my budget. So, but I did go ahead and pull the trigger on those Jordan 3 white cements. Hey, so when they come in, it's gonna be another unboxing. So I took an L on that. I'm gonna pay $250 on that. I just went ahead and paid a little bit more, $280 for resale value. The Jordan 3 white cement. So stay tuned in for that, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.